Gardens, and today I am not shooting seeds. I am doing an unboxing of a gift I got from Just Living Crafty Style, and that is Alisha over at Just Living. But I thought today, since my son just went to a Renaissance fair, medieval times, and brought home a Roman gladius sword, we'd unbox with that so you can get a look at it. If you would do the honors, sir.
Let's see. Don't want to hurt myself.
Yes, no. From the side of the tape?
Your arm is in the shot.
That's okay.
It's blocking the sword. There you go.
Oh,
Play to the camera.
now this is a difficult opponent. A worthy foe.
A worthy foe.
Yeah, this is why the Romans died.
Stop. Well, this one isn't sharpened because of it is for display, of course, but I just thought it was such a gorgeous sword. You all would enjoy
Sure.
seeing it. But I think
It's just for display. Don't lose the thumb. I would be very sad to call you. You know, lefty's a good lefty. You're out of shot.
That's alright, I'm grabbing a pair of scissors. But, looks like I don't need to. Before I take this completely out of the box, though, I want him to get a good look at this sword. It is gorgeous. The pommel and handle are just beautiful. Thought you guys would enjoy seeing that. Okay.
Rotate. We're getting some glare.
What's this on the pommel? Can you see that?
No.
Okay.
We'll have to do a separate shot.
Okay. And
Very pretty.
finish opening this for me, and you will see what I got. I know what it is, but I think you guys will enjoy finding out. As many of you know, Alisha at Just Living is quite crafty. Oh my, there's a couple things in here. Okay. Well, this is the big one. This is what I'm very excited about. I requested this and she sent it to me. Oh, look, it's got my name on it. This is a journal for my garden. Oh my gosh, look at this. So I've got lots of pages to put notes and flowers and a little pocket for seeds, a clip for other things. I'm not sure quite what, but I do love this.
Pressings.
Pressings. Oh, I like it for my flowers. Good idea, honey. Then, part 2, and I love this sparkly paper. Sparkles. Ooh, look at that.
We'd love to.
Love gardening, it says. Lovely. Happy.